be this? Waiting be this? Jesus. Ha blood of Jesus.
There is God. Oh.
Let's go there. Alright guys, mount your camera on a tripod using portrait. You get my point. So at first you record an empty background for up to either 5 or 10 seconds. You get my point. So you can now walk in and then do some kind gestures, like maybe you are looking at someone's head. Try to imagine someone standing and the position. Try to get everything through imagination. You get my point. Now you look at the person's head. Understand, the imaginary head. And then you can do some kind gestures like what you see me do here right on the screen. Open your hand, then imagine something entering your hand, then you put it inside the person's head, just like what you see me do. When you are done, you cover. Try to make sure everything is in the same position. Understand? Then when you are done with all these ones, you can now save the video to your gallery, and then head over to Capcut. So guys, on Capcut here, click on new project, import the video you just recorded to Capcut. So you remember we recorded an empty background, so we will have to use it. So now let's get to where the character is coming in, so we can split the empty background. So from here like this, you tap on this layer. Now click on split. So go and look for overlay. Tap on overlay. Now drag it to the beginning of the video. I believe you understand what I'm saying. Take it to the beginning of the video, bro. So now tap on this empty background. Go and look for freeze. Okay, see freeze. Click on freeze. So now tap on this other layer, the freeze layer. Drag it to the end of the video. Something like that. So guys, please like this video so YouTube will distribute it to many other people. You get my point. So now tap on overlay. Add overlay. Bring the picture you downloaded, or you can use your own picture. You can use anybody's picture. Understand? So now since it's a picture, you can drag it to any length. So drag it to the end of the video. So something like this. You get my point. So guys, the next thing to do now is to go and look for remove BG. So now click on it. Click on auto removal. Understand? So allow it to remove completely. You get my point. So that's just it, guys. So you can now tap on this OK icon, so we will get back to work. So from here you'll have to position this take the new character, like the third layer, just position it at where the hand is. So you can expand it, try to make it bigger a little, just like what you see me do here on screen. You get my point. So at this point I want to lift my hand from his head, like kind of carrying his head. You get my point. I will tap on this third layer. Now tap on split. So when I tap on split, I'll go and look for mask. Bro. Don't you hear me? Look for mask. Let's go. Where is mask? Okay, see mask here. Click on mask. Click on horizontal. So just tap on this horizontal, then adjust it to where you want the head to follow your hand. So I'm gonna position my own somewhere here. You get my point. So guys, tap on OK. So now this other layer where you splitted and you mask, you get my point. You add keyframe at the beginning of that layer. You get my point. Now as your hand is going up, you move the video a bit, then you move the head to make sure it touches your hand, so it will be as if your hand is carrying the head. I don't know if you understand it. So that's how you are going to do till the end of you carrying the head. Understand? Make sure everything works accordingly. You get my point. So when you are done with all these ones, this very one. So this is how it's going to be from the beginning of the video. Let's go. Alright guys, so if you're a complete beginner and wish to learn about video editing from scratch, you get my point, chat me up on WhatsApp. My phone number is in the description of this video. Then I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about video editing, how to get green screen effect and how to use them. You get my point? So guys, I charge, though it's affordable, understand? So without wasting much time, let's get back to work. You get my point? So guys, now go back to where you wanted to remove the head. You get my point? Because you need to bring back the picture. So you click on add overlay, bring the picture again, understand? Just go and remove BG, click on auto removal. You get my point? Remove background. So now you have to align this person to fit with the first person, the first character. Make sure they are kind of two in one. Just align them to fit. They have the same shape, everything the same, understand? So try do it. So guys, as you're positioning it, don't forget to drag the third layer to the end of the video. Just try to extend it, make it longer to the end of the video, just like what you see me do on screen. You get my point? Then you take your time and position it very well. It might take a little time. Don't be in a hurry. Take your time to make sure everything sets properly. You get my point? So guys, when you are done with the positioning, what you need to do from here is to tap on the third layer, go and look for mask. Click on mask. Now click on horizontal. Tap on horizontal, bro. Now click on invert, understand? So now adjust this line to demarcate. Try to imagine the size and where to demarcate so it will align. When you bring back the head, the person can have a complete face, understand? So you have to use a little calculation here, bro. You get my point? So when you are done with that, you now click on OK here. Let's get back. So this is how it's going to be. If you get it correctly, this is how it's going to be, understand? Can you see something like that? Can you see that? Guys, like and share this video. So guys, at this point you are looking at the person's head to see what's really inside the person's head. So you can now click on this navigation button, click on add overlay, bring a picture of what you think is inside the person's head, understand? Now bring it here, now drag it to fit to screen. It will be something like this. You get my point? So it will be as if when you are looking at the person's head, the camera is now showing you this thing you are seeing right now, understand? So guys, now that the person's head is open and you want to command something to get into your palm so you can put it inside the person's head, so tap on this navigation button, tap on add overlay. So you can now bring a picture of what you want to be in the person's head. So I had to bring this brain. So I'll go to remove BG and then remove background, so I can have it something like this. You get my point? So I'll bring it up here so I can hide it, understand? You can hide it from here. So you can tap on this navigation button, tap on the brain layer and then add keyframe at the beginning of the brain layer, understand? Somewhere here like this. Now move the video a bit, move it a bit, then bring the brain down, just make it inside your palm, understand? So as you can see, keyframe is already added here. So from here you can resize it, you can make it smaller, you can turn it anyhow you want it to be, make it the size you want it so it can enter the person's head, you understand? Alright, so let's see how it's going to be. This one we just did, let's see how it's going to be. So you see, so from here you move the video a bit, understand? Then you move the effect, the brain effect a bit, keyframe will be added automatically. You get my point? So that's how you are going to do till you get everything, you get it inside the person's head. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So just, if you have any issue, you can watch this video again so you'll be able to do it. You get my point? So now at this point you want to put the brain inside someone's head, this character's head. Guys, please pay attention. Pay close attention. You get my point? So guys, from here you will see that the brain is not entering the head. It's coming towards the face. It's covering the face. So we want it inside the head. You get my point? So what we will do from here is we will have to go and look for layer. So we go and look for layer. Where is layer? Where are you, layer? Okay, tap on layer here. So now we will have to look at the brain layer here. So you have to switch it. If you click on send to back, it will not show the brain again. Understand? It will only show empty hand. It will not show the brain. So what you do is to click on that layer. Now bring it, just drag it here, drag it to this other position. Since we have 4 layers, understand? So drag it to the second layer, just like what you see me do here on screen. You get my point? Yeah, I keep it here on the second layer. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So that's when the brain will be entering the person's head. You get my point? Guys, please like and share this video. Then you can now cover the person's head. So now we will have to tap on the 4th layer, which is the brain. Tap on, click on split, because we want to delete the ending part of it, as it's no more useful. You get my point? Alright guys, let me show you something for watching up to this moment. Now on the 4th layer, which is the depth, you are seeing inside the person's head. You get my point? Now you see that it's under the 3rd layer. Now tap on that 3rd layer, click on split, and go towards the ending part of the 4th layer, which is under the 3rd layer. You get me? I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. You split also, then delete the middle part. Let it be like what you see on your screen right now. If not, you will not get it correct. Understand? So for those of you that doesn't watch video to the end, I'm sorry about that. So for watching to the end, then you will see what I'm telling you. You get my point? So you just split it and then delete the middle part. Let this 4th layer show. Understand? So when you are done with that, tap on each of the layer, click on split, and delete the ending part of them. You get my point? Then you are good to go. You can now save your video to your gallery.